right before we get into the opening of the robot vacuum, we'll look at its former smaller brother. But away with the old, you were a good friend. We're going to the new. And here we are with the Mi Robot Vacuum Mop 2 Ultra Set. So today I'm gonna unbox it and I'm gonna test it in my house, which is very dirty right now, but I left it this way. I left it this way so I could show the power of it. So here's the state of the house. Very empty. My roommate's out of town right now. So what a perfect time to film a video. As you can see, it's very disgusting on the floor. A lot of smudges. This tile picks up a lot. I've got all the shoes here, which picks up a lot of dirt and just leaves it there. This is where the trash can used to be, so there's a little bit of grime here. A couple fluff bunnies, more fluff bunnies, Christmas tree stuff, hair. It's pretty gross. As you can see, a little fluff bunny here, a lot of smudges, and look, this is just for the test, all right? Off goes the table dust. Oh man, this is disgusting. All right, so all that's there, it's on the floor. There's a little bit of hair. And we're gonna see what this thing does. All right, here's this area over here. Very smudged up. Oh my gosh, with the lights on, it's terrible. But it'll be a good test, and it's a little bit wet. Cool thing about this vacuum is that I was in between two vacuums, robot vacuums. I don't really know too much. I went on a very deep rabbit hole of what vacuum to get, because there's so many on the market right now. But I saw Xiaomi was there and the price was pretty good. It was around 12,000 NT. So anywhere between the $300 to $400 range. All right. And the other one I was looking at was the Roborock 5 and 7. And those are almost 22,000 NT, which is getting up there towards 800 US dollars. So here we go. Let's open this thing. It looks like it's got a container, which is cool. It auto empties the dust into this bin. And also it has a mop function as well, which is very interesting. I've never gotten into the robotic mops or vacuums because I just didn't trust them and I didn't think they could do a good job. But this is many years later, and so it'll be really interesting. All right, let me get a knife real quick. I'll be right back. Hold on. All right, I'm gonna push this thing over here. Oh my gosh, the floor is disgusting. I'm gonna push this over here just because it's got a little bit better light. And in case this doesn't work, I've got about 6-7 days to return this back to the store. That's what some of these tech stores do around here. It looks like they had to double tape it up because it was such a heavy bottom that they had to, this is very hard to do without two hands. All right, anyway, come back. Okay, finally, let's open this thing. So I thought it would be interesting to open this, do an unboxing, because, you know, I'm pretty new on Robotech, and how cool, you know, just having a little robot in the house, or scary, depending on what you think of them. Let's see what the packaging is, all right? Let's see what this thing is. It looks like it's the dustbin here. Yeah, it's got the brush, the dustbin, the cleaner, maybe water bin, and then some kind of a regulator. All right, and here we go. We actually got the vacuum piece here. And let's take the robot out. I'm glad it came in black because I saw a white one and I'm not so much of a white appliance kind of person. I like the sleek and black. Oh wow, look at that. Very nice. Nice function. They've got English directions. I know I can't read Chinese, but wow, very cool. The legs retract like that. Boom. Here we go. Looks like it's got a little camera here, on button, a snorkel, and I think this is the bin here. What should I do? I think I should put this on a little stand. All right, you guys can see me there. Hopefully that's all right. Okay, and here is the auto. All right, seems like there's nothing in there, just packaging. Something on the bottom here. Should I just take it straight out? Oh my goodness, look at that. Huge. All right, and we'll just get this cleaned up a little bit. Over here. Always exciting to open something. Base. I gotta find a good place to base this. Put it. Wow, look at that. Okay, let's see if it's on target. Okay, so here is this thing. I don't want to open up it. Can I open it? Oh yeah, I can. All right, what's this? Oh, that's the little vacuum bag, and it's got a little filter here. Just look in there. That's about how big it is. Insert the board till it reaches the end. Wow, and they even use slang there. Insert the board till it reaches the end. Make sure the handle is inserted fully into the board. Otherwise, the auto empty function will fail. Okay, cool. Boom. And I'll be curious to see how much this thing costs to replace and how long that lasts. Press to start cleaning. Press and hold for 2 seconds to empty the dust compartment. Oh, only 2 seconds, and it'll just empty. That's sick. That's cool. That's cool. All right, and it's actually pretty hard to move this base thing, so it doesn't move around a lot. That's a nice function. Okay, we'll pop this open and see what is in here. And this, see the instructions. Me robot vacuum mop 2. All right, we've got the plug, which is a 3-prong. Where should I put this thing? Okay, that goes over here in the back. See? Right there. Okay. Bam. That will go to the wall. There's an on button. Where should we put this thing? I'm thinking right there, so no one trips over it. But I wonder if we can make it there at home. Okay, let's keep setting this thing up and see where we get. All right, here we go. Give me a second. It's very nice that I don't have to rip all this open, usually. Okay, and it looks like we've got the mop pad here. Dampen the mop pad and wring out excess water. Slide the edge of the middle part of the mop into the middle zone. Slide the edges on both ends of the mop. Okay. Do not use detergents or disinfectants. Okay. If slow water flow occurs or the volume is not low, please clean the air hole. Okay, here we go. It looks like this. Like that. See that? And then it just pretty well made, not bad. Little kind of microfiber pad, and then it slides in and out here on 3 edges. Yep. We'll just go ahead and put that back. Okay. Very cool. There it is. So, I want to see, where is this little finger? Okay, I see one little small piece in here. How can I get to that? I think you just pull it out right here. You got the little duster. I got a couple bent up ends there. What? I don't know about that. All right, so tidy up, installation, remove the things, install the side brush, got it. Place auto empties against the wall and charging. Place the auto empties in with good Wi-Fi signal. Tidy up in the loose cord to prevent it getting tangled with the vacuum. Before using the place it onto the auto empties. The vacuum mop will turn on automatically and start to charge. After 10 minutes of the full charge of the battery, the indicator goes off. Okay, wrap any excess. Okay. All right, so let's just do that. And it has to go to Wi-Fi too. How? Okay, I want to put this out of the way, but I'm worried that it won't go in a spot. What do you think, right here? I think in the middle of the room could be good right here. So many lights. I think right here is good. Seems very central to the location. Let's try. Okay. Little tuck. My room's right here, so I'm worried that, all right, boom. And do some tuck. Oh, and it's got a little tuck thing here, so you can actually neaten it up. That's nice. Pretty intuitive. Good location. Very user-friendly here. All right, let's push it back. Make it beautiful. Let's just go one more time around. All right. I think that's good for now, at least until I change it up a little bit. All right, and there's the light. I think I'm gonna put this, I wanna hide the plug. Feels better right there, but then it'll just hide the plug. I don't know, we can figure that out later. All right, let's put this thing on. See what happens. I wanna get this box out of the way. So, put this there for now. Put this box in the corner, right here. Okay. All right, let's put this here. Put it on the thing. Let's see which way. All right, where's the contact point? It's right in the front here, I believe. All right. Oh, that's it. It's on and it starts glowing like that.
Turning on.
Ooh. Hello, buddy. Okay. That's it. And then it just went red or orange. Right, let's see. Let's go back to the menu. There it is. That looks really clean. I like that. Let's see what happens here. Let's take a seat. And if that thing goes off, we'll just check with it again. Okay, insert the power cord. And it says make sure it's got 0.5 meters to the right and 0.5 to the left. 0.5 meters, let's see. I don't know. I feel like that's pretty good. I've got the whole wall, but I don't know if that door will do anything. Decisions. Okay, and it says fully charge the vac before using it for the first time. Oh man, we gotta fully charge it. Turn on the auto empty station. Auto empty, it's up. I think it's already up. Okay. Connect with Mi Home Xiaomi Home app. All right, let's do that right now. Be back. I'm literally coming home from work right now, and I'm so excited about the robot vacuum. I can't wait to try it. Yes! I got a gift from a friend. Look at this big bottle of whiskey. Thank you, Tracy. Thank you. I'm so excited. Here we go. It's all charged up. All right, I know it's a little bit loud. We are finally about to test this thing, all right? The condition of the floor is a mess, as you can see. There's little hairs and Christmas tree stuff, as you can see over here, over here. Pretty dirty in here, but it is about to be new and clean. So I've already loaded it up with water, and I'm gonna do my plan is to vacuum and then mop. All right, so sorry for the noise. I'm gonna try to clown out this noise a little bit. Just to go over the setup, I just QR coded the app from the instruction manual, and it led me straight to the English app. Very easy to set up. I named it Benjamin, which is very important because it's like my dog. But my dog's not here with me, so sad. So I named him Benjamin, Robot Benjamin. And the home is named Zanarkand, after Final Fantasy X. So this is Zanarkand land, and Ben will return to Zanarkand land. And yeah, here we go. I'm gonna do a little test, and hopefully it's charged up. I did notice that 10-15 minutes went by and it was only like a couple percent, so that seems kind of slow, but I don't imagine that a fast charger would benefit it that much because it returns home, right? I have no idea how robot vacuums work, and it'll be really interesting to see what it does with these little objects around the room. I've heard that they don't do very well, but cheers to a hard day's work, and we'll see. All right, I don't exactly know what it's doing. I hope it's not mopping. I really don't know. Let's see. Oh my God, look at it. It's going. It's going. Let's turn on some lights here. See what's happening. Oh, and it lost its thing. No. Why have you done this? Hold on. We gotta repair this thing. What happened? What happened? Let's stop it in its tracks. All right. Look at that. See what it does with that box. Oh, it avoided it. Look at you. Oh my God. That's pretty awesome, man. All right, it's missing a little corner of the room. Uh-oh, it's seeing so many things. What shall you do? I don't want to get in this way too much. Look at this guy just going rogue. Will it go in the kitchen? Look at you go, man. Oh yeah, it's going. Very nice. Where's it going? Well, what you doing there, buddy?
Repositioned successfully. I'll continue the scene.
Oh, it's just repositioning. Wow, buddy. Alright, I'm gonna just put my legs up. Watch it go. Sit in this chair. Man, I'm just impressed with this because I've never had a robot vacuum before, so I'm easy to be pleased. Pretty crazy how close it got to that box. It's getting even closer. Look at that, how close it's getting. Look at that, right around the edge. It's pretty close. No way. No way. It even got in that little crevice right there. Wow. Alright, I gotta wait till it comes over here. Look at that. Here's where I am. See it's scanning behind the couch right here? I honestly did not, I thought it would just avoid that whole area, to be honest with you. But look at it. It's going all the way under there. Even the places that I don't really sweep that much, and it's pretty hard for me to sweep. All right, it's finally made it from under the couch. Oh, I don't know, don't go through there. Okay, it's crossing over. Look at Buddy going, go Ben. I don't know what to do. I want it to go under this table. So interesting development. It's actually mopping. I thought it would just go for the dry vacuum first and then mop. You guys let me know if that's the proper way. We usually just like dry sweep it and then go for the mop, but if you guys know any different, just let me know. And he's coming closer. All right, just judging the space there. Nice work. See where the Buddy is now. Whoa, look at this guy. He made it to that carpeted spot. That knob makes me want to grab that piece right there and just turn it. Or we might have run into our first snag. What happens if I pick it up and let it go this way? Oh God. How about I just take this thing out? Bam, you gone. Alright, well that's what I meant by objects. Just hanging out on the floor, I guess. Like a sock. I might just suck into that. Alright, so that was the one thing that happened that it actually got stuck on was that little mat. But look how much dirt was under there. My God. Alright, it's finally made its way over here. It's doing this pattern that's like this. It's like zigzagging in. So it did the outside and then it did a little. Let's see what happens to this little mess right here. So, given that my floor was very dirty before, still a lot of debris hanging around. I know it's not as easy as it was supposed to, but as you can see, there's a bunch of dirt here. Here and there, there's a little fluff ball there that was carried with it. Still here, the mopping didn't do anything really. We've got a little Christmas tree there, some small particles here. Let's see here, the kitchen. All right, still a couple tidbits here. And in this corner, there's still debris. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. I feel like that's pretty easy. A sweeper could have gotten it up. All right, let's do round 2, and let's see if we can mess with the settings a little bit. All right, not bad. I'd give it, man, it wasn't great. I'd give it a 5, just because I'm kind of amazed by it anyway. But Let's see if this next round could be a little bit more than novel. I'm so confused. Like, every time it's just mop. Is it only a mop? I'm so confused. Vacuum and mop? So it can vacuum wet stuff? I'm so confused. What is happening? Oh god, look at it. Mounting the thing, the mount. Let's see what happens this round. Alright, so I've kicked it into like strong mode where the vacuum is a little bit higher, and there's a visible difference in the sound. It sounds like a little smacking. See how it does in the cleaning. Pushing things around. Even pushing the mounts around. You might have to just remove the mop from there first and then do it. I don't really know, man. Still pretty cool, but also confused. Or one thing I did notice is the glossy top. It gets very dirty very quickly, and I think it's going to be pretty annoying later down the line. Would have been nice if it was like a matte. But it does look a little bit more premium and nice and shiny. So light mop. Alright, I think I definitely should. I think I would recommend everyone going through the vacuum first before mopping. Because, yeah, I just don't think the mopping works very well. I don't know. I hate mopping over dust, so I think that's kind of a waste of time. Maybe that's making it not work? We'll see.
Charging.
We're gonna go through the first cleaning and see what this thing collected.
Water tank has been removed.
Alright, let's see. Kind of dirty there. No surprise. Let's see, how can we just undo this thing here? Try to do this one-handed. Let it dry. Here's the state of the place. Looks like it did a better job this time. It looks a little bit more clean. Let's see. A lot of the debris has gotten picked up. Christmas tree debris is gone. I think with one last vacuum, do a pretty good job. Look at this, not bad. All the hair from here is gone. Let's check this corner. Let's see. Nice. All right, we still got a little bit here, but overall, I think with a second, maybe my floor was just that dirty. But not too bad. I got a little bit here and there. Look at this. My foot was able to move this. So obviously, wasn't able to get some of it, but you know, couldn't get under the chairs, of course. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and would I recommend this product? For the cool factor, definitely. And you know, if it's gonna be vacuuming on a schedule, like if it's gonna be vacuuming on a schedule, I set it for 4:30 in the morning. So before I wake up, and 30 minutes here or there every day, I think the place should maintain pretty clean. not bad. I'm impressed. Thank you, Xiaomi. And again, this is me reviewing the Mi Robot Vacuum Mop 2 Ultra set. And that was priced around almost 15,000 NT. Which is like 14,000, so it's almost pretty expensive, almost $400 or $500. So cheers guys, happy mopping, happy robot mopping. Bye.